So I just had to share this with you. Coming over to the Bug, you know, I was gonna put on the tires and lower it down, and look what's on the Bug. Oh, is that a pair of brand new tinted glasses? Hey, I found them. So there we go. Got the UDR all blown apart because, yeah, because piles of sand, which is obviously exactly what you should expect when, you know, you do what I did to the UDR. We do have to address that other issue, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So right here in the window, we've got the UDR tires kind of just sitting in the sun, baking. So what we're doing is we're kind of trying to dry the tires out a little bit so that we can address the issue with the sand and water that obviously has accumulated inside those wheels, like, just because. I mean, if you saw the video where the UDR was just bashing through water and sand, I mean, it got pretty bogged down a couple of times, and yeah, so we've got some sand and water issues. So what we're going to do is we're going to remedy that. And obviously TRAXXAS had this little, you know, piece of paper or something that was inside the box with the TRAXXAS, and the whole point of that was to just snip some holes in the tires. But I've got a different way that I'm going to handle that, which is going to be the use of my old X-Acto kit and just the use of the regular blade. Because using body scissors to try to do that, I just feel is asinine. So we're just going to cut into those tires, and yeah. So that's a little update on the UDR. Here's the pile of screws. Here's the piles of sand all over the place. And this right here is exactly why this bench right here, this all has to change. This needs to be massive. So there's your update on the UDR, all blasted apart and setting things straight with it. And yeah, there's a little bit of rust too. Here's the brand new drive shaft that's technically not even used, and obviously just, you know, minorly sitting in, I guess, moisture. Look at all the sand that's in that joint. So we're gonna have to blow this out and then take care of that. Already took out the speed control, cleaned that all out, blew it out with a blowgun, and yeah, we're looking pretty good. So, but there you go. There's the UDR, all blown apart. Oh, and I don't know if you can hear that noise in the background. So there's something that's called a body saver, and I'm 3D printing up 2 of them right now to kind of save the body that's already destroyed. But I'm hoping that at least maybe it will clamp it. We'll see. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Maybe I'll make 2, inside and outside. But it's in the gold PLA. I did a couple of little test ones, and just the sheen on them is absolutely beautiful. So there we go. So this is how they came out. They actually came out really sweet. So it's a very minimal layer height, very compact, and I feel that's just going to give it a different type of sheen and rigidity. Obviously this is the section that contacts the body. It's the underside that I'm really interested in seeing, but you know, I was thinking, is these parts right here, if somebody out there owns a UDR and you subscribe or watch my channel, maybe I should do a giveaway. I'll make up another 3D print of these parts right here. They're just body savers. So obviously you can see what happens is that, you know, over time, just because all there is a screw that's compressed right there, that the screw just blows through because the plastic is just really thin in that area. And then on the other side, same thing. It's got to be something to do with either the back side here, or maybe because of the way this section just, you know, twists, or who knows. Up front here, we're nice and solid. But then having the gold coming across that, I think that's a win. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Should I do a giveaway on these little body saver parts? I don't know. If somebody out there has a UDR, one of these, in this position right here, maybe you'd be interested. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know.